How to fix Telegram notifications not working. If Telegram notifications are not coming through, we can fix that together. Start by checking the app's notification settings. Go to settings, then tap on notification and sounds and ensure that notifications are turned on for everything you want to be alerted about. If they are turned off, toggle them on and your notifications should start working again. Next, check your phone's or computer system settings. On Android, go to settings, then tap on apps. Now find Telegram in the list and tap on it. And tap on notifications and ensure notification toggle is on. If you are using Telegram on a PC, check the system settings, then tap on notification and action and make sure notifications are allowed for Telegram. Another thing to check is the do not disturb mode. If it's enabled, your notifications won't come through. Make sure that it's turned off on your device. If you are still not getting notifications, try uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram. This can reset any settings that may have been changed or corrupted. And once you have followed these steps, your notifications would start working again, keeping you up to date with your messages and group alerts. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.